Good afternoon, boys and girls. I know it's been a while, but I wanted to review some of the content that you might see on the STAR test next week. One of the things that you'll see is prime and composite numbers and knowing how to identify those. Every number is either a prime number or a composite number, except for one, and we're going to talk about that one. Well, let's talk about the definition of a prime number. A prime number is a number with only two factors, one and itself. Now you're saying to yourself, what are factors? Factors are numbers that you multiply together to get an answer. So they only have two factors, one times itself, and those are prime numbers. Composite numbers are numbers that have more than two factors. Okay? So let's look at a couple examples of prime and composite numbers. I'm going to give you the number 6. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's look at the number 6. The number 6 is a composite number, and I know that because I'm going to list the factors. These are numbers that we multiply together. One of the ways we can list the factors is by making a T-chart. So I'm going to write a capital T. I'm going to write a 6 above it. I'm going to start with 1. 1 times 6 is are factors of 6. 2 times 3 are factors of 6. I don't have any other factors of 6, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 factors, which makes 6 a composite number. Okay. Now, let's look at the number 17. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to make a T-chart and list all the factors, all the numbers that multiply together to get 17. 1 times 17. I don't have any, 2, there's nothing times 2, nothing times 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 8, 9, or 10. So 1 and 17 are its only two factors, which makes this number a prime number. Okay. All right, let's look at a couple other numbers. 24. Let's see if it's prime or composite. Okay. This time I'm going to do it a little different way. I'm going to write the number 24, and then I'm going to start by starting with 1 times 24, and then 2 times 12, 3 times 8, and 4 times 6. So I have my list there, and then I'm going to connect my factors. Well, as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 factors, which makes this a composite number. Okay. Well, you say, well, looks like, Ms. McDaniel, all even numbers are composite. Well, let's look at one. Let's look at an even number. Let's look at the number 2. Since it's even, it must be composite, right? Well, let's check it out. Let's make our rainbow to see if it is. Well, I know 1 times 2 equals 2. Anything else? No. So again, it only has two factors, 1 and itself. So 2 is a prime number. It's the only even prime number. Okay. What about the number 1? Most people would say, well, Ms. McDaniel, that's prime, of course. But again, remember the definition of a prime number. A prime number is a number with two factors, 1 and itself. So if I were to list the factors of 1, I would only put 1. That's only one factor. So therefore, it is not prime or composite. It is neither. Okay. All right, I'm going to put 2 more numbers. See if you can try these at home. the number 41, and the number 39. And let me know if they are prime or composite. Have a great evening.